This is Hugo with your Dow analysis for the week ending 16 December 2011. This video is recorded at 6 minutes past 2 a.m. New York time on Sunday the 18th of December 2011. This is the main daily wave count, and wave 2 black is expected to subdivide into a double zigzag correction with a completed zigzag for wave W blue, joined by a 3 for wave X blue, and we expect a final zigzag to the upside to complete wave Y blue and most likely complete wave 2 black. At 12,812.58, wave C pink would reach equality with wave A pink, and once we have the fourth wave within wave C pink complete, then we may be able to calculate a more accurate target, making use of two different wave degrees. Movement above 12,876 would invalidate this wave count, as wave 2 black may not move beyond the start of wave 1 black, and to the downside we have an invalidation point at 11,231.56, as wave B pink within a zigzag correction may not move beyond the start of the first wave, which is wave A pink. This is the main hourly wave count, and here is the end to wave A pink within the second zigzag structure for wave 2 black. Wave B pink is seen as complete and having unfolded as a double combination correction with a zigzag for wave W green joined by wave X and a flat correction for wave Y green to complete wave B pink. Ratios within wave B pink are: wave C orange within wave W green is 19 points shorter than wave A orange. There is no adequate Fibonacci ratio for wave C orange within wave Y green with wave A orange. Within wave C orange, wave 3 purple is 4 points shorter than 0.618 the length of wave 1 purple, and wave 5 purple has no adequate Fibonacci ratio to either of waves 1 or 3 purple. We expect that we now need to see a 5-wave structure for wave C pink to complete wave Y blue and complete wave 2 black. We expect waves 1 and 2 green are complete, with wave 2 green having unfolded as an expanded flat correction. We now need to see an increase in upwards momentum for this third wave at green degree. At 12,109.66, wave 3 green would reach 1.618 the length of wave 1 green. Movement above 12,147.70 would provide confirmation for this wave count, as our alternate hourly wave count would then be invalidated. Movement below 11,786.54 would invalidate this wave count, as any second wave correction within wave C pink may not move beyond the start of the first wave. I expect our biggest indication that this wave count may be correct is if we do see an increase in upwards momentum, which is typical behavior for a third wave. This should then be followed by some shallow sideways movement for wave 4 green, as wave 2 green was a deep correction of wave 1 green, and according to Elliott's guideline of alternation, if the second wave was a deep correction, then it is likely that the fourth wave would be a shallow correction, pushing price sideways. This is the alternate hourly wave count, which expects wave B pink is incomplete. It also expects wave B pink is unfolding as a double combination correction, but this alternate sees the double combination as a double zigzag correction, and therefore sees the second structure as incomplete. It sees an impulse to the downside to complete wave A orange, joined by a zigzag for wave B orange, and now we expect a final 5-wave structure to the downside to complete wave C orange and possibly complete wave B pink. Movement below 11,786.54 would provide confirmation for this wave count, as our main hourly would then be invalidated. At 11,606.87, wave C orange would reach equality with wave A orange, and at 11,383.67, wave C orange would reach 1.618 the length of wave A orange. The best indication of which of these targets are more likely is to look at the actual structure within wave C orange and to see how many waves are still required to complete a 5-wave impulse, keeping in mind that one of the waves may extend. This trend channel was constructed about wave Y green by connecting the start of wave A orange to the end of wave B orange, placing a parallel copy at the end of wave A orange. We may see wave C orange end at this bottom trend line or even slightly overshoot it before reversing higher. If we can see a clear 5-wave structure to the downside and price reverses to the upside, breaching this upper trend line, and preferably having a full hourly candle above it, then that would significantly increase the chances that wave B pink is complete and that we will see further upwards movement within wave C pink to complete wave 2 black. The invalidation point to the downside is at 11,231.56, as wave B pink may not move beyond the start of wave A pink, as this is seen as a zigzag correction. A short-term invalidation is at 12,147.70, as wave B orange may not move beyond the start of wave A orange within the zigzag for wave Y green. This is the alternate daily wave count, which expects that wave 2 black is already complete and unfolded as a zigzag correction with a slight truncated C wave. It therefore expects this downwards movement to continue lower within wave 3 black. At 8,259, wave 3 black would reach 1.618 the length of wave 1 black. For this wave count to remain valid, price would need to remain below 12,257.67. Our main daily wave count expects that we need to see further upwards movement within the Dow to complete a second wave correction at black degree. To increase our confidence in that alternate daily wave count, we would need to see both our hourly wave counts invalidated to the downside first. The two hourly wave counts both have invalidation and confirmation points. The invalidation of one would confirm the other, and therefore it is advisable to wait for one of the wave counts to be invalidated, as that should increase the probability of the other. That is all from me with your Dow analysis.